everyone and welcome. In this video, we will walk through how to classify customer support tickets using machine learning. We will do two classification tasks. First, identifying the issue type, and second, determining the urgency level. Although this is the multitask problem, we are using two separate models for each task as required in the project guidelines. Let's get started. So the first part is data processing, preparation, and libraries installation. As you can see, we have just installed the required libraries using AutoGluon, Pandas, NLTK, RE, and the NLTK packs. We begin with dataset of over 1,000 support tickets, each labeled with the issue type and urgency level. The task is clean thoroughly and then lowercase, remove the punctuations, lemmatized using NLTK, and strip for the stop words and common words like the, is, and the little meanings. This makes the data cleaner and more consistent, which is critical for effective modeling. And here's the final dataset that we got about after the cleaning. Next is feature engineering. In the next step, now we move on. We extract two main type of features. First, the text features using the TF-IDF, which helps to model and understand the words are important in each complaint. Second, metadata features, the length of text, the number of capital letters, exclamation marks, and the sentiment polarity calculated using text blob. We can normalize all features using standard scalars so they are on the same scale for the model. The next is modeling. We have mostly used AutoGluon for this task. As stated, AutoGluon is a ML libraries that support training for multiple standard ML models. So basically, in this, we train a model using AutoGluon, a powerful AutoML library from Amazon. AutoGluon automatically tests different algorithms like gradient boosting, random forest, and even neural network. We simply tell it what data to use, what column is the target label, and it handles the rest of the part. We repeat this process twice, one to build the model for the issue type and one more for urgency level. Each model is trained independently with its own evaluation and optimization. As you can see the results for each of the models during its training. So the first model, which was for issue model, you can see the accurate validation score coming out to be the one which is 100%. And for the second model, which was basically for agency modeling, the final accuracy is 0.43, which is 43%. Next one is like I have also prepared and trained the data using multitask learning, which was basically a single model for both of the tasks using the two head as the for multiple classes like multiple tasks like agency level and issue prediction, issue classification. So it's the architecture for the that model, and here's the training and evaluation scores for that. But as instructed, we are not using that for our task. Next one is entity extraction. For the entity extraction, we just take the words and like find the basically keywords from the given corpus and get the required entity out of that using the RE. And in the evaluation and result part, the issue type achieves the perfect accuracy of 100%, and as you see, and on the other hand, the agency level model is 43% accuracy. So now like we have also checked for the class imbalance if there is any in the particular defined dataset. Like we checked using the histograms for multiple classes and for both of the tasks. This one is for issue type. Like you can see, there are no major differences in the classes, and same as for agency levels. Last one is the interface part. You use radio for interface. You can see. Yeah. So this is the interface. Let it load. And so we take any one of the issues defined in the dataset, or we can choose any other if you want. Uh, Yeah, so like we are about to go through our interface. Like this is the interface that we created using radio. So like here you can enter your ticket text, which is this we have taken from a dataset only, which is facing installation issue with Vision LED TV and setup fields at step 6. So when we submit it, like it gives the issue type and the urgency level. Issue type is installation issue, which can be clearly seen in the token date text. And here's the extracted entities, which is the product. The product is Vision LED TV. The complaint keywords, which is the issued, and the date. Here the date is not provided, so the date column is particularly empty. And yeah, this is the final product and the output for this particular task. Thank you.